Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to add a link in Snapchat story on Android device. Well, knowing how to add a link to your Snapchat story can be useful for sharing additional information or directing your followers to external content. Adding a link allows you to provide more context or offer opportunities for your audience to learn more about a topic, product, or event. Whether you are promoting a website, sharing a blog spot, or inviting people to participate in app online activity. So let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first thing first, go ahead and open Snapchat app on your device. Well, so now you can take a picture or video, or you can also pick from your gallery. After that, click this icon, and then enter the URL link here. Click search icon here, and then tap attach to Snap. Okay, lastly, you can directly upload it to your story. Well, that's the tutorial on how to add a link in Snapchat story on Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.